Hi, I'm Robert F. Kennedy Jr., your HHS Secretary, and I'm here with Dr. Susan Monarez, who is our new CDC Director. She's the first director in American history who has been confirmed by the Senate. Dr. Susan Monarez, would you put your left hand on the Bible, raise your right hand. I'm very happy to have Dr. Monarez aboard. She comes to us from ARPA-H. She's a tech genius, and she's going to drive AI and modernize CDC's data systems. And we're going to be able to provide first-class information, gold standard science to the American people.
I take this obligation freely.
Susan is an expert in public health, and I'm confident that she will do everything that she can to restore the integrity of this agency.
The duties of the office. Thank you, sir. I am truly honored and humbled. Thank you so much for your support over the past several months. I am so honored with the privilege of heading up CDC. It's such an important institution, and I look forward to supporting you over the next several years as we continue to make America healthier again.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you very much, and
Thank
welcome
you, sir.
aboard.
Thank you, sir.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.